Pay attention to this Stocat channel. By uploading only 83 short videos, this channel has managed to get amazingly millions of views and 3.15 million subscribers. According to reports from Social Blade, the channel has earned over $330,000 from this content alone. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very simple but incredibly effective method. The videos of this channel are a unique example of attractive and simple content that has captivated millions of people despite its simplicity. The interesting thing to note is that despite the remarkable success of this channel, there is still not much competition in this field. And that's exactly why I decided to share this valuable information with you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create such videos using free AI tools and guarantee your success. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date with my top-earning video tutorials. Now, without further ado, let's get to the tutorial and discover a new world of fun and creativity together. Step-by-step tutorial on how to use Ideogram.ai, creating endless attractive images. So guys, let's enter the world of creativity together. To get started, first log into Ideogram.ai. The first step you need to take is to register on this site. It is very simple. You can use your Gmail account to sign up quickly and easily. After you sign up and log into your account, in this video, I've described a special prompt for you. Copy this prompt because you're going to make some cute cat pictures with it. But wait, this is just the beginning. If you like to be more creative and change your prompt, you can take help from ChatGPT. Just ask it to change or improve your prompt. It allows you to create new and unique images that perfectly suit your taste and needs. Now that your new prompt is ready, import it into Ideogram and see how exciting new images are created. Using this simple method, you can easily create different images and use them in your creative projects. This is a wonderful opportunity to experience a new world of creativity and innovation using artificial intelligence tools. So without any delay, step into the world of creating infinite images and enjoy every moment of it. Well guys, now it's time to enter Luma AI site and have a unique experience of turning your photos into professional videos. The first thing you need to do is to register on this site. It is very simple and you can use your Gmail account to register. After registering and logging into your account, you are now ready to turn your photos into cool videos. This site allows you to create professional videos using your photos. If you have a prompt with your photo, you will get better results and Luma AI will provide you with higher quality videos. But don't worry, even if you don't have a prompt and only upload your photo like I did, Luma AI will still produce the best output for you. Now, import the photos you downloaded earlier into Luma AI and wait for your video to be ready. This process is very easy and fast and will help you create professional and attractive videos with minimal effort. Once the video is ready, you can download it and use it in your projects or share it with your friends and family. Now it's time to show off your creativity and use advanced tools like Luma AI to turn simple photos into amazing videos. Well guys, now it's time to go into YouTube Studio and choose a suitable song for your video. The first thing you need to do is log into your YouTube channel account and go to the Audio Library section. This section gives you access to a large library of free and copyright-free songs that you can freely use in your videos. Now in the search bar in Audio Library, type the word sad and hit the search button. This will bring up a list of sad and soft songs that you can choose from. These songs are available to you for free and you can use them in your videos without worrying about legal issues. Choose one of the available songs that suits the content of your video. Then download it and put it in your video to convey the right emotion and atmosphere to your audience. Choosing the right song can have a great impact on the appeal and impact of your video, so choose carefully and tastefully how to turn your video into a work of art using CapCut, the complete editing guide. Now that you've created your music video using AI, it's time to go to the next step and turn it into a professional and engaging video. Video editing is one of the most important steps in the content creation process, as it is the step that can transform your video from an ordinary project into a work of art. You can use any video editing software you are comfortable with, but I personally use CapCut. The reason for choosing CapCut is that this software is not only very user-friendly and easy to learn, but also provides extensive video editing capabilities. Even if you are a beginner, with a little practice you can quickly master CapCut and create professional videos. Step 1. Import the video. To get started, import the video you just made into CapCut. This software allows you to simply drag and drop videos onto the timeline and get ready to edit. Second step, adding effects and transitions. One of the best features of CapCut is the wide selection of effects and transitions you can add to your video. These effects give your video a professional and cinematic feel. You can use various effects to make interesting changes to the image, add camera movements, and even create special moods. Third step, light and color settings. Be sure to check out the lighting and color settings to make your video really stand out. CapCut has advanced contrast, brightness, and color adjustment tools to help you get your video exactly the way you want it. These settings can give your video more polish and professionalism. Step 4. Add text and music. Finally, you can add appropriate captions and music to your video. Text can help make your video's message clearer, and the right music can convey the emotion you're trying to convey to your audience. In CapCut, you can use different fonts, text animations, and even advanced audio settings to make your video perfect. Final step, save and publish. Once you are satisfied with the video editing, you can save it and it is ready to publish. CapCut offers several options for saving video in different qualities, so make sure you save your final video in the highest quality possible. Well guys, thanks for sticking with me until the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you can edit your videos in a professional and attractive way. Until the next video, be successful and creative.